What if one of the smartest compact cars of 2026 isn't an SUV at all? The refreshed Opel Astra Hybrid 145 proves that practicality, fuel efficiency, and premium technology can come in a sleek hatchback package. Today, we're putting the 2026 Astra facelift through a real-world practicality test. Checking out the trunk space, updated cabin, and one feature every driver uses every day: its mix of physical AC buttons and touchscreen controls. Welcome back to Future Drive, your destination for tomorrow's cars, today. If you're looking for a practical daily driver that blends modern technology with hybrid efficiency, the new Opel Astra Hybrid 145 deserves a closer look. While Opel isn't sold in the US, many of its innovations are shared with other Stellantis models, making this review relevant for American viewers interested in global automotive trends. The facelift brings subtle but effective styling updates. Opel's signature visor front fascia looks sharper than before, while slimmer IntelliLux LED headlights and redesigned bumpers give the Astra more modern appearance. The clean body lines and aerodynamic profile create a sporty yet sophisticated look without being overstyled. Step inside, and you'll find one of the biggest improvements. The digital cockpit combines a crisp instrument display with a responsive central touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the infotainment system is easier to navigate than before. One welcome feature is Opel's decision to keep dedicated physical controls for key climate functions while integrating advanced settings into the touchscreen. That means adjusting the temperature or fan speed is quick and safe without digging through endless menus. Practicality is another strong point. The rear seats provide enough room for adults on everyday trips, and the hatchback design makes loading cargo easy. The trunk offers around 420 liters of storage with the rear seats up, extending significantly, and they're folded flat. Whether you're carrying groceries, luggage, or sportsy equipment, the Astra handles daily life with ease. Power comes from Opel's new Hybrid 145 system, combining a turbocharged 1.2-liter three-cylinder gasoline engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Together, they produce around 145 horsepower through a smooth 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The hybrid assistance improves acceleration from a stop, reduces engine load in city driving, and delivers a refined driving experience with comfortable suspension and confident handling. Fuel economy is expected to average around 50 miles per gallon under the WLTP cycle, making it one of the more efficient compact hatchbacks in its class. Drivers who spend most of their time commuting or taking weekend trips will appreciate the lower fuel costs. Safety is comprehensive, with adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, practical cargo space, impressive fuel efficiency, user-friendly climate controls, and comfortable ride. On the downside, rear headroom is slightly tighter than some crossover SUVs, and the mild hybrid system prioritizes efficiency over sporty performance compared with competitors like the Volkswagen Golf eTSI, Peugeot 308 Hybrid, Toyota Corolla Hybrid, and Renault Megane E-Tech. The Astra stands out by offering an excellent balance of practicality, technology, and everyday comfort at a competitive price. If you're looking for a compact car that delivers premium features without sacrificing usability, the 2026 Opel Astra Facelift Hybrid 145 deserves a place on your shortlist. It proves you don't need an SUV to enjoy modern technology, strong efficiency, and everyday versatility. What do you think about the new Opel Astra Facelift Hybrid 145? Would you choose it over the Toyota Corolla Hybrid or Volkswagen Golf? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Future Drive, your source for tomorrow's cars, today.